All right, I've been seeing some deer around here, so I'm gonna set my feeder up and we're gonna see some deer. Let's go. I've had this feeder back here for a little bit and I've never seen this happen before, but something's chewed a hole in here. I don't have a gun with me. I just hope it's not a nest in there. I guess we're about to find out. Nothing in there, but I'm gonna have to fix that. Either a squirrel or a raccoon. But something's been gnawing on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the corn in there. I'm gonna go tape this up and then we'll come back and get everything else set up. All right, corn's in it. Let's head to the house and fix this top. Why am I walking back? Well, I think I'm trying to find the lid. All right, let's go fix this. All right, well, this thing really got chewed up. The handle, I've got a place here, a big place here. So here's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use a Ingles bag, some tape, and a piece of this wood that we had cut. So I think I'll start on the big piece first. We've had some tough luck with our feeders because there's a lot of stuff other than the deer that seem to want to eat on them. We've had them destroyed by these raccoons. Squirrels love to get at them. Hogs will tear one apart. All right. Now I'm going to put this piece of wood on here, and I'm just going to tape it on there. It kind of looks like it might curve a little more like that. And like I say, I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna try because I don't want to have to buy a new feeder. Put that on there, come down. Front of this and go wrap it under. All right, you think that's going to hold? I really don't. I've actually had this feeder, I'm going to say for, I don't know, at least 5 years. These things really don't last that long, but this is the first time I've had one just chewed all to pieces. All right, I got some help this time.
No.
We're going to go down here, and I've already got the corn in, so hopefully my top will fit on here. If the battery's dead in the feeder, I've got an extra battery here. Hopefully it works. And I got my camera, we'll put it up. Hopefully we can get some...
Find out what's wreaking havoc.
Yep. I mean, I want to see these deer because I think there's probably some babies that are running around now. That's what I want to see. I think that's on good enough. We'll give it a try. All right, the battery is dead. Let's just put this other one on there. All right, we got life. All right, so now I've got it reset. I'm going to test it. Okay, stand back a little bit. All right, it's working. Okay, I'm going to now set my camera up. I'm going to set it on this tree, facing the feeder that way. It will actually come in a lot closer than this camera will. So here we go. All right, so I've got it set now. The camera is set. Hopefully we'll have a few movies of some deer or whatever is attacking my feeder here pretty soon. And there it is. I'm sure we'll see something. If we do, I'll show it to you. It's been about 2, maybe 3 weeks since I put up the deer feeder. I'm gonna go back here now and get my cameras so we can see what we got. And as you can see, my house is back here. I can actually see this feeder through the woods. So there it is. I think what I'm actually going to do is take this thing down. Not today, but looks like my repair worked okay. But there's a little left in it, but not much. So let's get these cameras up and I'll see what came around here. I know that I saw some deer back here. I don't know what they were, but let's find out.